people, and they want peace in the Middle East. As far as Gaza is concerned, we'll do what is necessary. If it's necessary, we'll do that. We're going to take over that peace. We're going to develop.
Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump mengumumkan bahwa negaranya akan mengambil alih kendali atas jalur Gaza. Hal tersebut disampaikan dalam konferensi pers di Gedung Putih pada Selasa 4 Februari 2025 sore, seusai Trump bertemu Perdana Menteri Israel Benjamin Netanyahu. Amerika Serikat akan mengambil alih jalur Gaza dan kami akan mengelolanya secara efektif, ujar Trump. Trump berjanji akan membangun kembali Gaza yang hancur akibat perang dan menciptakan peluang ekonomi bagi penduduknya di masa mendatang. Saat ditanya apakah pasukan Amerika Serikat akan dikerahkan ke Gaza, Trump membuka peluang jika diperlukan. Dia juga mengatakan, kami akan melakukan apa yang diperlukan, jika diperlukan, kami akan melakukannya, kami akan mengambil alih tempat itu.
Can a normalization deal with Saudi Arabia be achieved without the acknowledgement of a Palestinian state? That question for you too, Mr. Prime Minister. And Mr. President, given what you've said about Gaza, did the U.S. send troops to help secure the security vacuum?
So Saudi Arabia is going to be very helpful, and they have been very helpful. They want peace in the Middle East. It's very simple. We know their leader and their leaders very well. They're wonderful people, and they want peace in the Middle East. As far as Gaza is concerned, we'll do what is necessary. If it's necessary, we'll do that. We're going to take over that peace, and we're going to develop it, create thousands and thousands of jobs, and it'll be something that the entire Middle East can be very proud of. But everybody feels that continuing the same process that's gone on forever, over and over again, and then it starts, and then the killing starts, and all of the other problems start, and you end up in the same place, and we don't want to see that happen. So by the United States, with its stability and strength, owning it, especially the strength that we're developing and developed over the last fairly short period of time, I would say really since the election, I think we'll be a keeper of something that is very, very strong, very powerful, and very, very good for the area, not just for Israel, for the entire Middle East, very important. And we'll, again, have thousands of jobs, and there'll be jobs for everyone, not for a specific group of people, but for everybody.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.